Welcome to Onro, a beautiful quarry located in the Carrara region of Monte Altissimo, Italy. The unique stone we appreciate in our homes come from these natural quarries that are located all over the world. Onro is historically and famously recognized for its marble stone. Michelangelo himself worked on a stone block from the Carrara region. It is known today as the Statue of David. The stone in these mountains have never been viewed as just hunks of rock. A whole new wave of artists were produced upon discovering these quarries. This quickly expanded the development of seminars, workshops, and contemporary sculpting. Today, we can thank those early artisans for finding such beauty in the natural stones. They are the ones who birthed all these different sectors in the stone industry that we have today, ranging from sculptors to masons to fabricators and so on. The great benefit with Tenax is that we have our hands in just about every part of the slab manufacturing process. Tenax begins once the slabs are cut out of the block. We provide our fiberglass, abrasives, and resins to help polish and hone the slabs. Our goal is to make sure they are being safely brought back to your shops. Because we are involved in the entire process, this makes us the most qualified to work with our customers and partners to develop products that are specifically tailored to their individual requirements. Tenax comes from a long history with over a half-century in the stone industry. We will continue to maintain quality products and a strong bond with our partners.